Now start from the question number 351. Sir Walter Scott was a dash historical novelist. Options are British, Indian, Scottish, Irish. Correct answer option number C, Scottish. Sir Walter Scott, born in 1771 in Edinburgh in Scotland, and died 1832 at the age of 61 years. Next question. The Lady of the Lake is a narrative. Options are essay, poem, play, novel. Correct answer option number B, the poem. Published 1810 and written by Sir Walter Scott. Next question. Set in the place of the Lady of the Lake. Options are Trossachs, Aberdeen, Glasgow, Edinburgh. Correct answer option number A, Trossachs. Trossachs is in Scotland. This poem composed of 6 cantos. Next question. How many total plots in the Lady of the Lake? Options are 4, 5, 3, 6. Correct answer option number C, total 3 plots. And the 3 men, first man Roderick Dhu, and second James Fitzjames, and third Malcolm Graham, to win the love of Alan Douglas. Next question. What is the publication date of Waverley or 'Tis 60 Years Since? Options are 1810, 1811, 1814, 1816. Correct answer option number C, 1814. This was published anonymously in 1814 as Scott's first venture into prose fiction and first historical novel in the Western tradition. Next, who wrote Frankenstein? Options are Mary Shelley, Charlotte Bronte, George Eliot, and Elizabeth Gaskell. Correct answer option number A, Mary Shelley. Frankenstein is written by Mary Wollstonecraft, its full name, and born 1797 and died 1851. She was an English novelist. Next question. Publication date of Frankenstein. Options are 1820, 1818, 1824, 1822. Correct answer option number B, 1818. Frankenstein, it is a Gothic novel. Another name of the Frankenstein, the modern Prometheus. It tells a story of a Victor Frankenstein, a young scientist. Next question. Who wrote The Falconer? Options are Charlotte Bronte, George Eliot, Elizabeth Gaskell, Mary Shelley. Correct answer option number D, Mary Shelley. The Falconer, published 1837. The characters Elizabeth Raby R.A.B.Y., a 6-year-old orphan, prevents Rupert Falconer from commit suicide, and the Falconer then adopt her. Next question. When was Matilda published? Options are 1957, 1955, 1959, 1961. Correct answer option number C, 1959. Written by Mary Wollstonecraft Shelley. It is her second long fiction and work written between 1819 to February 1820 and published posthumously 1959. Next question. Genre of the Matilda. Options are novel, poem, essay and play. Correct answer option number A, novel. Next question. Which novel Mary Shelley wrote to distract herself from her grief after the death of her kids? Options are Matilda, Mathilda, The Lost Man, both A and B. So here correct answer option number D, both A and B. Matilda and Mathilda are the same. Mary lost her 1-year-old daughter Clara, September 1818, and her 3-year-old son William in 1819. Next question. Which writer is known as Monk Lewis? Options are Leigh Hunt, Lord Byron, Walter Scott, Matthew Gregory. Correct answer. Genre of the Monk. Options are poem, essay, play, Gothic novel. Correct answer option number D, Gothic novel. The Monk published 1796. The full name of this novel is The Monk, a romance. It is written by Matthew Gregory. Matthew Gregory, born 1775 and died 1818. Next question. Ambrosio, Antonia, and the characters taken from which work of Matthew Gregory? Options are The Bravo of Venice, The Effusions of Sensibility, Tales of Terror, The Monk. Correct answer option number D, The Monk. Ambrosio is extremely devout monk, 30 years old, and Matilda the first known as a Rosario, the young boy, but actually she is a beautiful young woman. Next question. Matthew Gregory's Gothic writing was influenced by. Options are Anne Radcliffe, William Godwin, both A and B, only A. Correct answer option number C, both A and B. Next question. What is the full name of Leigh Hunt? Options are James Mary Leigh Hunt, Robert Henry Leigh Hunt, John Leigh Hunt, James Henry Leigh Hunt. Correct answer option number D, James Henry Leigh Hunt. Leigh Hunt was born 1784 and died 1859 in London, in England. Next question. What was the nationality of Leigh Hunt? Options are Irish, British, Scottish, American. Correct answer option number B, British. Best known as a Leigh Hunt, and he was an English critic, essayist and the poet. Next question. Leigh Hunt introduced which of the following writers to the public? Options are John Keats, Percy Bysshe Shelley, Robert Browning, all of above. Correct answer option number D, all of above. Hunt also introduced Alfred Lord Tennyson to the public. Next question. Hunt's first poems were published in 1801 under the title of. Options are Juvenilia, The Story of Rimini, The Imagination and Fancy, A Book for a Corner. Correct answer option number A, Juvenilia, a collection of poems written between age 12 to 16 by Hunt. Next question. A bibliography of Hunt's work was compiled by. Options are Anne Ireland, John Keats, Mary Jane, Alexander Ireland. Correct answer option number D, Alexander Ireland. Alexander Ireland was a Scottish journalist and bibliophile, a notable biographer. Next question. Leigh Hunt co-founded which weekly journal? Options are The Examiner, The Tatler, The Spectator, both B and C. Correct answer option number A, The Examiner. Examiner was founded in 1808 by John Hunt, the brother of Leigh Hunt, and Leigh Hunt both founded The Examiner. Next question. What was the name of Boland's first book of poetry? Options are War Horse Poems, New Territory, In Her Own Image, Night Feet. Correct answer. Option number B, New Territory, published 1967. And its full name, Evan Francis Boland, born 1944 and died 2020, was an Irish poet, author and professor. Next question. The shadow line is based on, options are social events, political events, environmental and historical events. Correct answer. Option number D, historical events. The shadow line published 1988, and this novel awarded the Sahitya Academy Award for this book. Next question. What is the title of James Joyce's 1918 play? Options are The Examiners, The Exhibitionist, The Extortionist, The Exiles. Correct answer. Option number D, The Exiles. Exiles is a play published 1918. Next question. Tom Tulliver is a character from which novel of George Eliot? Options are Romola, Scenes of Clerical Life, Daniel Deronda, The Mill on the Floss. So correct answer. Option number D, The Mill on the Floss. Published 1860 in a 3 volumes spanning a period of 10 to 15 years. Novel detail of the lives of Tom, life of the Tom Tulliver and Maggie Tulliver. Maggie Tulliver, sibling growing up a Dot Cottmel. So now we move on to at the end of this session. So like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query then you can write me in a comment box below. That's it for today. See you soon for the next video. Till then, bye.